Welcome back to Little Bits of Everything. Subscribe, turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Hoorah!
Hello, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm redoing a redo. So I had originally painted these gold and white, and I changed my mind and I wanted to paint it a different color. So I did. So I chose this grayish white, and I did leave the top its original. It took about 3 coats of the gray to get full coverage, and I liked how it came out. The gray on the like beige white top is just very nice. I did leave the hardware gold. That still looked really nice, and this is the final look for this tall dresser, and it looks really nice. It did sell pretty quick, faster than when it was the white and gold. So in my area, the white and gold, it just depends on, the market, but it wasn't selling, so I changed the color, and then it sold faster. But yes, this is what it looks like. And then now I'm working on the vanity. Same thing, it was white and gold, changed it to gray and white with gold hardware. I feel like this gray has been very popular in my area, and you'll know which colors are popular or faster sellers in your area. You just kind of have to get a feel of it, and you might have to change the colors every now and then. But yes, I left the top the same, beige white, and yeah, I liked the way it looked. And they did sell. They didn't sell as a set, they sold individually, but that is okay. Yeah, I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell your friends. All right, bye.
Subscribe, like, and share.